Hi, welcome to Tech Tricks tutorial. Today we are going to show you how to unpublish website on Wix. It's a step-by-step beginner guide for everyone to follow easily, and if you find this tutorial helpful, please don't forget to hit the like and subscribe button. Now let's get right into it. So first, to begin, you can open your Wix account, and here under your sites, you will be able to click on select and edit the website that you want to unpublish. You just wait for it to load, and here you'll be able to see the dashboard of your website that you created. And in order for you to unpublish your website, you just click on the left side panel of the screen. Here you just go to settings. So here actually are the tools that you can use to manage your website. And just simply go to settings. That's the second to the last option. And then go to website settings. From here, you'll be able to see that the site is currently published. To unpublish that, just simply click on this blue word or the blue unpublish hyperlink, and then it will provide you to confirm whether you wish to unpublish, and just click on unpublish. When you click on it, you just wait for it to load up, and that would basically unpublish the website. And that's how you unpublish your website on Wix. And that's the end of the video. Thank you for watching. Bye.